Brad Hall here, and today I've got a bunch of shoes, all shoes that I got for retail. I'm gonna show you all these shoes, tell you how I got them, and I'm gonna share what I plan to do with them. So this one is jam-packed. You don't wanna miss it. Shoes have been getting so much harder to get lately, especially in this last year. On this show, I want to celebrate some of those sneaker victories. So kind of provide hope to you and hope to me that it's possible to get these shoes without bots. So that's what we're doing on this one. And let's get right into it. So this first shoe is my most recent pickup. It was from an May raffle. I got very lucky on this one. The 550, it's having its moment. New Balance with those collaborations, also having a moment. This is a very nice looking shoe. It's such a classic looking model and a nice colorway. You can see those kind of vintage details like that aged looking midsole. You've got some yellowing on the mesh right there. The material on that N logo, that's got this kind of already cracked effect going on. So what am I going to do with this one?
Keep, sell, trade, bury, recycle, trash, or bronze.
I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to hold off to see what other colorways of the 550 come out. There have been a lot already, so there are probably more on the way. But for right now, this is a keep. Up next is another classic shoe. This one I got on the sneakers app. It was during a restock. It's the Dunk High, and it's in this beautiful white and orange color. It's a simple, classic shoe. I love these orange laces on there. That's very nice. Now, what am I gonna do with this pair?
Keep, sell, trade, bury, recycle, trash, or bronze.
I'm gonna keep this one. I don't have any other Dunk Highs, and this particular colorway, it is gonna look really good with a pair of khakis. So, kind of an essential shoe. This one was a total shock to me. I never thought I would get my hands on this shoe for retail. There was another sneakers restock, and I got very lucky on it. It's the Kobe 6 Grinch colorway. I had this shoe back in the day, the original version of it. The Kobe shoes have felt impossible to get. I had pretty much given up on the idea of getting a pair, and to get this pair, one of the best pairs. It feels truly remarkable. So happy about that.
Keep, sell, trade, bury, recycle, trash, or bronze.
This one was going to be a bronze for me, but if I bronze it, I lose that beautiful green color. So instead, I am gonna get a bronze display for it. I think that's what this shoe deserves. Yeezys have definitely been a lot harder this year. That Confirmed app is definitely a real thorn in my side. It is hard to get a pair of shoes on there. I got this pair on a smaller retailer's website, and I used Apple Pay. I think Apple Pay, it's the true hero here. So this is that desert boot, and what was really interesting about this pair is the blue on there. It looks like it was almost dipped into a vat of blue. In person, I definitely like them a lot. The blue, it just spices up this shoe.
Keep, sell, trade, bury, recycle, trash, or bronze.
I am going to keep this pair, but not break it out until fall. I did try them on with shorts, thinking I would wear them in the summer season. Something was just a little bit off about that. I'm pretty sure it's because I didn't have a higher pair of socks on. So this last one is a really big one. I wasn't expecting to get these at retail. This particular Michael Air Jordan, they made it possible for non-bots to get in on that action, and I did get in on it. It is the Ama Maniere 3. It is definitely an early contender for my sneaker of the year. The colorway on its own is just really strong. It does have that kind of aged look here in certain stretches of it. The details, they take it to the next level. Of course, you've got that Nike Air in the back. That is very nice to see. I like the different textures on it, from this smoother leather to that rough suede. Not sure if you can see this, but it is quilted on the inside, an extra set of laces. It is just a really well done, really beautiful shoe.
Keep, sell, trade, bury, recycle, trash, or bronze.
I'm gonna keep these. So it is definitely not easy to get shoes these days, but it is possible. And I wanted to take this moment to remind you not to get too down on yourself. You are gonna have some pretty big wins out there. Keep your head up and good luck on going for whatever shoe you're going for. And thanks as always for watching.